Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another tutorial video. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to install TWRP recovery onto the Samsung Galaxy S5. Then I'm going to show you how to root it. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you how to install Android 6.0 Oreo. So this Galaxy S5 is running Android 6.0 at the moment. So let me just show you all. So about device, and it's running Android version 6.0.1, which is Marshmallow. So I'm going to show you how to install TWRP recovery, then I'm going to show you how to root Android 6.0, and then last but not least, I'm going to show you how to install Android 8.0. So before you begin this, make sure you back up all your important files onto either your PC or a thumb drive, because doing this is going to wipe the device clean. And also, I'm just going to make a quick disclaimer: I will not be held responsible for any damages what might occur whilst you try to do this. You do this off of your own risk. So now that's out of the way, if you want to go ahead and follow this video, it's entirely up to you. So I'm going to show you how to do it real quick, well, as quick as I can. So first things first, just go to the build number. Where is it? Okay, so about device, let's find build number. Okay, so find build number, keep tapping it until it says you are now a developer. I've done it, it says no need, developer mode has already been enabled, but when you keep tapping it, it will then say you are now a developer. Once it says you are now a developer, just press the back button and scroll down and look for the developer options. Here it is. So it should have unlocked the developer options on your phone. Once it's unlocked it, just select this option here, developer options. Make sure you turn that on, and then scroll down to where it says USB debugging, turn that on also, and then you can put the phone down. Okay, so next you need to head on to the link in the description down below and download Odin. I've already downloaded it. Here it is on my desktop. So once you've downloaded it, just save it onto your desktop, and then right click on it and select extract all, and then select extract, and it will then create a folder, and it will automatically open up as well, but you can close that down for now because we're not going to use it. But just remember, the folder will be here on your desktop because we're going to come back to that in a bit. You can move the zip file away from there, and then next you need to download these files. I will leave a link to all these 4 files in the description down below as well. So the first file is TWRP, this file here. You need to download it from the link in the description down below. Save it to your desktop. Then you need to download the Lineage 15 zip file. This is Android 8.0. Then you need to download the OpenGApps 8.0. And you also need to download the Beta Super SU zip file. So you need to download all these 4 files and save them to your desktop, just like I've done. So once again, I'll leave all these 4 files, the download to all these 4 files, in the description down below. Okay, so we're just gonna connect our phone to the USB. Okay, so let's open up our SD card, and then we're going to drag and drop the Beta Super SU onto the SD card. And we're also going to drop the Lineage 15. This is the Android 8.0 ROM, like I said before. I'm going to drop that onto there as well. I'm not going to bother editing the video. I'm going to show everything from beginning to end, just to show you all that I don't have an issue whilst doing this, that there's no problems with the installation. So I'm just going to show you everything from beginning to end. So I've got the Beta Super SU on there, and I've also got the Lineage 15, which is Android 8.0 on there. Now just drag and drop the OpenG apps onto there as well. Okay, so once you finish transferring those three files, you should have all three on there. The Beta Super SU file, the Lineage 15 Android 8.0 zip file, and also the OpenGApps 8.0 micro zip file. You should have all three on your SD card. So you can go ahead and shut that down. Okay, next, unplug your phone from the USB cable, and then go back to your Odin folder. This is where you extracted the Odin file earlier on at the beginning of the video. Open Odin and then just launch it. Okay, so go to where it says options, and where it says auto reboot, uncheck the box. Okay, so now on your phone, you're just going to turn it off. So hold down the power button on the side, power button there, and turn it off. Select power off. And now we need to put the phone into download mode, so press the volume down button along with the home button here at the bottom here, and the power button on the side. You're going to press all three, volume down, home and power. Press all three until you see this warning message, then press the volume up to continue. Now connect the phone to the USB cable. Just like this. Okay, so now go back to Odin on your screen, and where it says ID.com here, make sure it's blue, and then select AP, and now we're going to look for the TWRP file, which is stored on your desktop, remember. So just scroll down, you're going to select desktop here, and then scroll down to find the TWRP file. So here it is, TWRP 3.0.0.0 KLTE. Select it and then hit start. Okay, just wait for it to say pass. Once it says pass, you can go ahead and hit exit. And then you can unplug the device. Okay, so what you need to do now is take off the back cover. Take out the battery. it back in, put the back cover back on, and then press the volume up button here on the side along with the home button and the power button. So you're going to press all three: volume up, home button and power button. You're just going to press all three at the same time, keep them held down and then let go, and it should then take us into TWRP recovery mode. Okay, so once you're in TWRP, just swipe across to allow modifications and then select install. And don't forget we stored the super user file, the root file, on the SD card, and we also stored the ROM, the Android 8.0 ROM, and also the OpenG apps on the SD card. So just select storage and then select micro SD card, then hit OK. Now you should see all those three files: the Beta Super SU, which is the root file, that's what we're going to use to root the device. You should also see the Lineage 15 Android 8.0 ROM and also the G apps. So just select the Beta Super SU file so we can go ahead and root the device. So just swipe across to confirm flash. Now it's going to root the phone. Okay, so once it says done here at the bottom, just hit reboot system. Okay, so let's just have a look and see if the Super SU file is on there. There it is, the Super SU app. So just go to the Play Store. We're just going to confirm that the device is now rooted. So go to the Play Store. And download root checker. So type in root checker. And then install it. Open it up. Select agree. Swipe across. Then select verify root. Select grant. And it should then say, congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. Okay, so now just power off the device again by pressing the power button. Select power off, power off. And now we need to go back into TWRP recovery mode again. So once again, just press the volume up button along with the home button here at the bottom and the power button on the side. So all three again, volume up, home button, power button. Then let go. And it should once again take you back into TWRP recovery mode. Okay, so this time we're going to select the wipe option here. Then swipe across to do the factory reset. Select back. Then select advanced wipe. Select Dalvik at cache, system, data and cache. And then swipe to wipe. Then select back, back again, then install, and then select the Lineage 15, which is the Android 8.0 ROM, and then swipe to confirm flash. Okay, so you're going to get this red writing popping up with errors. Don't worry about it, it's perfectly normal. So just go ahead and select the back button and then select the Open GApps. Then swipe to confirm flash. Okay, so swipe to unlock. Okay, so just wait for it to say installation complete. Then you can go ahead and hit the back key. Okay, so once you hit the back key, just go ahead and select reboot and then select system. Okay, so it's finished booting, let's go. Skip. Set up as new. Skip. Continue. Next. Next. More. Agree. All set. Okay, so we're just finishing an Android update here. Okay, so as you can see, we're now running Android 8.0. There it is, Android version 8.0. On the Samsung Galaxy S5. So yeah guys, this was just my tutorial video showing you how to install TWRP recovery and how to root the Samsung Galaxy S5 and install Android 8.0 Oreo. This is not a stable ROM at the moment, still needs a lot of work. You can't really use it as a daily driver, but the purpose of this video is just to show you how to install it if you want to try it out. If you want to return back to your stock firmware, I'll leave a link to my tutorial in the description down below. That'll put your stock firmware back onto your phone to put it back to how it was. Anyway, if you like this video, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments in the comment section down below if you get stuck with anything. And thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Doses.